Ben and Goo's everyday adventurous adventure. 1. Friend. 2. Play. 3. Mud. B. B for Ben. Ben. Ben the human. Goo. G for Goo. Goo the dog. Arf! Arf, arf! Ben and Goo meet. Ben and Goo are friends now. They played. They played fetch. Woo! They They hugged. They played in the mud. Home. Shower time. So wet. Floor. Wipe up. Don't step in the mud. Phew. Ah! I couldn't see anything. Wee! Ben and Goo were on a mysterious deserted island. And there was treasure. Boom! So they brought it back. And so they showed their mom home. Bravo, said their mom. So they shared it. Ben 100, Mom 100, Goo 100. With a very happy day to everyone who read my book. I'll do some drawing so that the end is exciting. Love, Yoshi. Dino grabs medium green Yoshi'do. Ha 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 ha. So funny. Bye bye. Bye, Yo-Yo, Yoshi'do.